Hey guys, what's up? So it's me, Yesterday Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button, okay? Today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna watch your ReelShorts on your big screen on your TV, whether you have an Android TV, smart TV, whatever. I'm gonna walk you through everything that I did because this app has a restriction which you can't use this app. You cannot cast the thing onto your TV wirelessly, okay? So what you need, guys, is USB-C cable to HDMI. Okay, so this is an HDMI 4K 2K. All right, and it's straight USB-C. Okay, so the next step on your phone is you wanna, so make sure that you turn on airplane mode so that no one can ring you, can message you, whatever. You won't be disturbed. Okay, and you can as well turn on the DND, do not disturb, and you'll have to enable this multi-control. All right, and then you can see this DeX. It's Samsung DeX right here. So you're gonna switch this. Okay, if you can't find it right here, you can go to whatever into your settings, and then right here just search for DeX. Okay, Samsung DeX. All right, so now I'm gonna hook this. Okay, connected. Once I connected, it automatically connected to external display. Now on my TV, all I gotta do is to press source and switch to HDMI 1, 2, whatever. Okay, soon as I switch, as you can see, voila guys, my Android screen is now mirrored to my TV. Okay, now right here where it says exit DeX, right to the left you'll have this button. Just tap this. Here you can use this as a mouse pad. So as you move your finger around to it, you can see this little mouse, it gets moved. So now you can just double tap here to open your apps. Real short, so double tap this. Okay, what I was watching, yeah, and it is fully controllable. As you can see, you can switch the quality as well. Okay, you can see my Wi-Fi, airplane mode, battery level, and here's the sound. So
not deserve my daughter. Weren't you discharged? Had an accident? You know, PTSD or
to full HD. I'm gonna set it to, I'm gonna switch to full HD VIP, like 1080p.
We are honorable men and women.
Tobias, look around you. You're at the #1 AI company in Silicon Valley, surrounded by the top of the top 1%.
So I bought another cable. So this one is for iOS, okay, iPhone. So there's the HDMI, okay, and this is the Lightning cable. All right, so I connected the HDMI. So as soon as I hooked it, yeah. So there's my iPhone screen. Oh shit, yeah. So now I'm gonna try to launch this ReelShorts apps. Let's see what will happen. Will it play or not? Let's see, I'm gonna hit play. Beware, sharing, posting, or republishing screenshots, screen recording, ReelShort may result in legal action. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't support. On iPhone, it doesn't really work.